DIY Kombucha Box. DIY Kombucha Box. Just add honey. Just add honey. Handmade tea. Handmade tea. Plum Deluxe. Plum Deluxe. Far West Tea Club. Far West Tea Club. Simplicity Teas, tea with intentions. Simplicity Teas, tea with intentions. Teatourist. Teatourist. Tea Box Express. Tea Box Express. Tea Runners. Enjoy monthly deliveries of 4 loose-leaf teas from the world's finest small batch producers. Each box contains enough for 30-50 cups of tea throughout the month, and you can choose from the original box, all black tea box, or herbal tea boxes.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.